Did you know there are two ways to input charges in Spec? Be sure to only choose one of these ways to avoid double charging your clients. The first way is to enter your charge as a line item. On a blank line in the spreadsheet, select the column you want to start at. If it is manufacturer specific, you may want to include the manufacturer code or description. Use Tab or the arrow keys to move across the line to fill in the information. The code, CHG, in the catalog code column will trigger a special teal-colored flag icon. Be sure to include the total charge in the unit list price column. You can also enter charges in the Charges tab of Project Info. Left-click on the Project Info tab. Left-click on the Project Info tool icon in the ribbon and select the Charges tab in the dialog box. Any previously saved charges will be listed. Simply click the checkbox to include the charge. Add new charge lines, click the checkbox to include the charge. These charges will be visible on the default print template reports and included in the project's total.